Imagine living in a home that features a 1 kilowatt motorized tilting solar array, a full 3D printing station, and a 13 kilowatt-hour battery bank, all inside a vehicle small enough to park in a standard lot. Today, we are deep diving into what might be the most technically advanced DIY van conversion on the planet, the Lady and Margaret Ultimate Campervan, built on a 2015 Fiat Ducato L4H3. This isn't just a weekend warrior, it's a high-tech, off-grid sanctuary designed for two digital nomads who refuse to compromise on power or productivity. Designed specifically for the European and now North American overlanding markets, this van is for the traveler who needs a mobile office that can power a 3D printer and electric motorcycles while parked in the middle of a desert. The exterior of this L4H3 model, the longest and tallest in the Ducato lineup, is finished in a sleek, stealthy matte gray. Its dimensions are impressive, stretching approximately 6.36 meters in length with an internal standing height of 2.17 meters, allowing even the tallest travelers to stand comfortably. Notable exterior features include a custom-built 47-degree tilting solar rack on the roof, custom panoramic windows, and a discreet 150-liter fresh water tank mounted underneath to save interior space. Stepping inside, the floor plan is a masterclass in modularity and flow. The layout features a front swivel seat lounge and dining area, a central kitchen, a concealed wet bath, and a rear elevated sleeping platform that sits above a massive garage designed to house two full-sized e-bikes without disassembly. The sleeping area consists of a high platform bed with an aluminum frame to keep weight down, featuring a high-comfort mattress and insulated back doors to ensure a good night's sleep in any climate. The bed even lifts on gas struts to reveal hidden storage and the heart of the van's electrical system. Moving to the kitchen, you'll find a gourmet setup with an induction cooktop, an oven, a large sink, and a refrigerator tucked cleverly under the bed. Storage here is ingenious, utilizing 3D printed magnetic spice racks, concealed wine storage, and custom-fit drawers for every utensil. The bathroom is a hidden gem, a convertible cubicle featuring a water-saving hot shower and a composting toilet system, providing full privacy without taking up permanent floor space when not in use. Storage throughout the van is equally impressive, with oodles of secret compartments, a dedicated tech wall for charging drones and cameras, and even a custom-built shoe rack by the sliding door. The power system is where this van truly separates itself from the pack. It runs on a robust 48-volt system with a 13 kilowatt-hour battery capacity, supported by that 1 kilowatt solar array. This allows for the simultaneous use of high-draw appliances like the induction stove, an AC unit, and even their Prusa 3D printer. Water, 150-liter fresh tank, is paired with a gray water system monitored by a digital control panel above the sink. Under the hood, 2015 Fiat Ducato typically features a 2.3L or 3.0L multi-jet diesel engine. While Lady and Margaret haven't officially specified their exact engine trim on the site, the Ducato platform is legendary for its front-wheel drive maneuverability and 12.2 to 14.2 meter turning circle. Inside the cab, they've added custom seat bases and upgraded technology for long-haul comfort. For climate, the van is fully insulated with high-grade materials and includes a diesel heater and a 24V pneumatic air conditioner for extreme weather. Off-grid, this van is a beast, capable of weeks of autonomy thanks to the massive battery and tilting solar panels that catch the sun at the perfect angle. Pros are obvious: unmatched power, professional-grade workspace, and incredible storage. The cons? The sheer complexity of the 48V system might be intimidating for a novice. The high bed height required for the e-bike garage might not suit everyone. Regarding pricing, Lady and Margaret do not sell pre-built vans. Instead, sell the blueprints for this exact lifestyle. Their official van build bundle is priced at $125, while their comprehensive van design course is $99. Based on their own records, a build of this caliber, including the base vehicle and high-end components, can easily exceed $60,000 in material and van costs alone. This price makes total sense for full-time professional creators who need a reliable, high-output mobile home. My final verdict: if you are a tech-heavy traveler who wants the ultimate house on wheels and you're willing to put in the DIY work, this is your gold standard. If you want a simple plug-and-play camper, this level of engineering might be overkill. If you find this video valuable, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell icon so you don't miss important videos.